All right, everybody, we're here in Loganville, Georgia. If you're looking for a house, this one is for sale. What's up, Sid?
Hello.
We got the driveway, house, walkway, of course. We always throw that in the porch for our clients. Getting ready to sell. So we're going to clean it up for them pretty good. Help them settle it a little faster, or a lot faster, I should say. Let's go around back, check out the back. Definitely can use a good cleanup. Got some tomatoes, eh? Some tomatoes. Like they got one more down there before the winter. Get your harvest, man. All right. This should clean up pretty good. I'm gonna take care of the two sides in the back. And I'll let my tech, he'll take care of the driveway, walkway, porch in the front. See you when we're done. Peace.